Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jotform dynamic text box widget. This is a powerful feature that allows you to create forms with flexible, expandable text fields, giving your users the ability to add as many text entries as they need. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password to access your account. This step gets you into the platform where all your form creation magic happens. After you've successfully logged in, look to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This section houses all the forms you've created or have access to, and it's where we'll begin building our new form. Now, to create a new form, click on Create Form in the upper left corner of the page. You'll be presented with several options for starting your form. For this tutorial, select Start from Scratch and then choose Classic Form. This gives you a blank canvas to work with, which is perfect for adding our dynamic text box widget. Once your blank form is ready, direct your attention to the left panel and click on Add Element. This opens up all the different components you can add to your form. Navigate to the Widgets tab at the top of this panel. Widgets are essentially specialized tools that add extra functionality to your forms beyond basic fields. In the Widgets section, you'll find a search bar. Type dynamic text box into this search bar and click on it when it appears in the results. This widget will now be added to your form, allowing users to dynamically add multiple text entries as needed. Now that the widget is on your form, you'll see a field where you can type your question. This is the prompt that users will see, so make it clear and specific to what information you're collecting. For example, you might ask, list your previous employers or add team member names. Next, click on the widget settings icon, which you'll find in the right panel. This is where the customization really begins. In the settings, you can type your desired number in the default fields section. This determines how many text boxes appear initially when someone opens your form. You're not limited to just numbers, though. You can also customize the button text, which is what users click to add more text boxes. Additionally, you can adjust the size and button color to match your form's branding or visual style. These small touches make your form look more professional and cohesive. If you want to display a counter that shows how many text boxes have been added, enable the Count Text Boxes option. This feature helps users keep track of how many entries they've made, which can be useful for forms that require a specific number of responses. Before making your form public, it's always smart to test it out. Click Preview Form at the top of the page. This lets you see exactly how your form will look and function from a user's perspective. Try adding and removing text boxes to ensure everything works smoothly. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and operates, click Publish at the top right corner of the screen. This makes your form live and ready to share with others. Jotform will provide you with a shareable link that you can copy and distribute via email, social media, or embed on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully created a form with a dynamic text box widget that gives your users flexibility and control. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.